Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Exercise number 3, part 2, 700 old book. Ready? The whole of our lives, on people in all parts of the world doing their particular work, doing it well, and doing it at the right time, full stop. The milkman who has to bring our milk depends on a train reaching a certain station at a certain time, with a supply of milk for him, full stop. When we are drinking our morning tea and reading our morning paper, men and women far off in the country on the farms have already begun on another day's work, part of that day's work being planned round the fact that milk must leave the farm in time to be put on a certain train and so reach us the next morning, full stop. Nothing could look less like part of a plan than the small boy we sometimes meet when driving along a peaceful country road in summer, full stop. We stop the car and wait, watching him leading his charges down the road on their way from the fields to the farm, full stop. They too do not look at all like part of a plan as they go from side to side of the road, making their way to the farm, away from cars and strange men, full stop. Yet the boy and his charges are part of the great machine which makes it possible for our milk to be at our door at the expected time the following morning, full stop. New paragraph. Each and every one of us plays an important part, full stop. We may be doing something big, or perhaps our part is only a small one, full stop. But big or small, we can be sure that the part which we are playing is important in securing a general state of comfort, safety and well-being for the pupil as a whole, full stop. It is by playing our part well today, small thought that part may appear to be, that we shall be able to play other and more important parts in the days to come, full stop. We all have important work to do today, full stop.